Lucia Damanik. I am from Indonesia.
Today I'm so excited to share my experience with the IMCS Club Workshop on Climate Justice and Plastic Pollution. I attended this amazing program that covers climate justice, environmental justice, and transformative action. We had insightful sessions with expert speakers and interactive discussion with participants from across the Asia Pacific region. What made this workshop truly special was not just the wealth of knowledge from the expert speakers, but also the rich exchange of ideas with organizers and participants from different countries. This global perspective really highlights the widespread impact of plastic pollution and the diverse approach to tackling it. Personally, I learned so much about the complexities of environmental issues and the importance of transformative action. Understanding this topic in depth has really heightened my awareness of how critical it is to address plastic pollution and advocate for climate justice. The workshop provided not only theoretical knowledge but also practical knowledge that help us apply what we learn. Overall, the IMCS Club Workshop was an eye-opening experience. Whether you are a student, activist, or simply someone who cares about our planet, this program offers valuable insights and actionable strategies for creating a more sustainable and just world. If you are interested in learning more about climate justice and environmental issues and plastic pollution, or if you want to get involved in similar programs, I highly recommend checking out the IMCS and their future workshops. Thank you guys for tuning in.